Happy Easter. This is Jeb Butler and your update on the people against COVID-19. It's been a good couple days for the people. Our total raise is now over $22,000. We have reached new heights, not only in the total raise, but as to the individual donors. Specifically, we've got 2 new gold level donors to talk about. So let's step up to these new heights and see what we're looking at. Although you can't see my face, that's all right. This isn't about me. This is about our new very top donor, Miss Amber Galormo, who gave $2,000 to fund the people against COVID-19 and our efforts to provide food to the nurses and doctors on the front lines of the battle against the coronavirus. Now, Amber's firm is Taps and Galormo. They handle personal injury and wrongful death cases. Specifically, they handle a lot of car wrecks, truck wrecks, Uber and Lyft collisions, DUI collisions, that is collisions in which the at-fault driver was DUI. They don't defend DUIs in the criminal courts. And they handle a lot of pedestrian cases. Now, Amber writes in her LinkedIn profile that she comes from a single working mom and has achieved a lot of success. She's a GTLA champ, and she is dedicated not only to her clients, but to her community. Her clients, as shown by her professional success, and her community, as shown by her donation to the people against COVID-19. We also have John Nyman, who I talked about some yesterday, my former torts professor now in Birmingham, Alabama, doing constitutional and regulatory work. Justin Jones, a longtime buddy of mine, has stepped up and become a gold donor. Justin practices law in Savannah now. He does personal injury and wrongful death cases. He and I have been co-counsel on some cases, and I can tell you from firsthand experience, he's a fine man and a fine lawyer with a lot of skill for figuring out how people really work and what's going to move the needle on a case. He's a good man, trustworthy, and can't say enough good things about him. We've also got among the gold level donors, Moses Kim, Chris Stewart, and myself. We do wrongful death and personal injury cases. Moses specializes in medical malpractice, Chris in civil rights cases, and my firm specializes in cases against hard to deal with corporate defendants. We have our silver sponsors here at $500 or better donated to the cause of the people against COVID-19. Nate Hansford, workers' compensation. We have an anonymous donor, Philip Pendergrass, personal injury and wrongful death. Josh Branch, personal injury and wrongful death. Ronnie Mabra, personal injury and wrongful death, and he also is a former legislator. Robert Miller, estate planning. Ibrahim Awad, personal injury and criminal defense. And then Anonymous came in twice here recently with 2 more $500 donations, making Anonymous 3 times among our silver donors for the league. We have some new folks to talk about in the bronze level, which is $250 or better. Richard Robbins and Cameron Hawkins have stepped up into that level. We also have Jeff Yashinsky, Stephen Newton, Madeline Simmons, Ron Daniels, Aldrich Tolson, Brad Marsh, Michael Rust, Chris Glover, Anonymous. Anonymous is really just killing it out there. Melissa Davis Strickland, Brian Baer, Jessica Nix, and Anonymous again, with this time a donation of $377, not for ourselves, but for others. We have some more deliveries planned. As I said in our last update, we made some deliveries to Atlanta Medical Center South last week, and tomorrow we have some more deliveries planned, I believe, to the Atlanta Medical Center North. So thanks to the restaurants who have been helping us out. Thanks to our donors who make all this possible. And especially thank you to the doctors and the nurses fighting coronavirus on the front lines.